All right, another haul heist from Publix. So kind of had to do these. I had this, gosh, category coupon, and you know I love these. $10 off of 50 Save a Lot competitor coupons, 12/21 to 12/27. Today is the 22nd. I did this went today and I went yesterday, so I got about $20 off my total. Definitely had a big money maker here. A lot of these deals I did before in my other two videos that I posted. One on the 15th, which was last Thursday, a week ago, and then one on Sunday. I posted because of the extra savings book. A lot of good deals that came out. So if you haven't done these deals, get into them because you only got 2 days. You got the 23rd and the 24th. So if you got this, some money maker again, it was with the Publix digital coupon. When you spend 15 on Band-Aid products, Johnson's products, you get to $5 off. Add that to the $2 off. Now I have the coupon that I can show you, the $2 off an extra savings book coupon. So if you buy, these are $2.12 each. So you buy 8 of these and you're going to have a $4.04 overage. So I did it, just for my overage to help pay for my other goods here. To Crunchmaster crackers, these again $3.99. They're BOGO, and there is I had a Publix digital coupon, $2 off 2, and there's also Ibotta has $1 off each bag, making them free. Fetch gives you 1,250 points, made that a $1.25 overage right there. New deal here, Natuchips. I did this maybe a couple videos ago, but anyways, they're in Fetch again, and you get 1,500 Fetch points, just the regular price for these. So you can do this deal, per however long the Fetch offer is in there. $2.29 for these and 1,500 Fetch points, so it's like $1.50 back on Fetch. So it's about 79 cents for each one. They're pretty good. Marie's Ranch came back in Ibotta, so I did it again. $4.99. Yeah, it's $5.99 for this. Then it's down to $3.99. It is in the produce section, and there is a $2 off Ibotta rebate and a $1 Publix digital coupon, making that only $1.99. Celentano pasta, or these are, gosh, they're always across from the ice cream for some reason, but that's where they were in the frozen section. 507. These are really good, and pretty easy to make. 507 each, so they're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for 507. Use 2 of these coupons from the I got the link to print these below. You can use 2 of those, and maybe find it on coupons.com as well. Maybe you can get $3 off that 507. Another new deal here. This is Artisian grilled steak burrito. It is $2.49 is the regular price, I believe. Might be on sale for $2.49, but regardless, $2.49. There's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, so making that only 49 cents. Now, one of my Publix accounts had $1 off, another one had $2 off. So check your Publix digital coupons to see what offer you have, but I did have a $2 off one, making that only 49 cents. Did this deal before, $3.35 for these guys. 2 of them, $6.70. Get that $1.15 printable coupon. I got the link and a detailed breakdown below of all these deals, and also Ibotta has $2 off each package, so $3.37, $6. So, and then a Fetch has $1 back on these as well. So I spent $6.70 for both of them. I got $4 back from Ibotta. I got $2.30 back from the 2 manufacturer coupons, and $1 this time back from Fetch, or 1,000 points. So made that a money maker of maybe 60 cents or something. This time I got the vitamin B12. It is $5.99, but they have the zinc is $4.99. Calcium, magnesium, zinc is also $4.99. You combine, you pay $4.99 or $5.99 in this case, and you get the store coupon from the extra savings books. It takes $3 off. The Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off, so making that free. Or in this case, this one was $1, but I could have got the free one. Chlorox disinfectant misc. So if you want to get this, there's a manufacturer printable for $2 off. Check coupons.com. We have $2 off, and as well as my Publix digital coupon came off, as well as my manufacturer printable coupon came off, so both of them came off, so that was good. Made that a moneymaker because also it's on Swag Bucks. You can get another $1 back from that. Tate's cookies, you know I gotta do that deal. It's $1 this time, and Ibotta gets $1 off. You line up those edges good. The Main Street Bistro, I don't have the printable for that, but there is a printable for this. They are $4.79, or these were actually $4.69. These ones $4.79, so I paid $4.79. And I used 2 of the manufacturer printable coupons. Took $1 off and $1 off, making those only $2.79 for both of those. Daiya, the cheese. I don't think it'll say cheese on there, but these are in the produce section as well. They are $4.99, I believe, or $5.29. I used 2 of these $2 off manufacturer printable coupons, making them only $1.29 for both of them. So a great deal there. All right, what did I miss? The magnesium, nature made magnesium, or you can get the potassium. They're $4.99. There is a store coupon for $3 off, and as I said, clip all your Publix digital coupons. I had a $2 off one, made that free. The Nature's Bounty gummies are, my digital didn't come off for this time, but $5.99, and there is a store coupon for $3 off. Also check your Ibotta. Some people may have $3 off. I did use that $3 off one a while back, so I had $1.50 off, and it came back in Ibotta, making that only $1.49 for those. And of course, Rockstar energy drink. This is a good deal because it is a moneymaker. It is 2 for $2.50, so $1.25 plus tax, $1 maybe 35, $1.34 maybe, something like that. You get $1 back on a Publix digital coupon, and hopefully you still have that in your account. I don't know if it's still available, but I still had that in account, so it's $1 off, and it's 50 cents back from Ibotta, making that a money maker. And let's do that Splenda stevia. This was also in Ibotta for $1.20 off this, $1.75 off the stevias. Just regular price for these, $4.49 and $4.49, making $8.98. There's a $4 off at 2 from the Save 11.6 or 11.3. I think 11.6 or 11.3. I got it below the video. When you click more, you'll see the details. And that took $4 off. And there is Ibotta, as I said, if you line those edges up, it takes $1.75 back, gives you back $1.75 on both of those items. So making that very little, $3.50, $7.50, $8.98 minus $7.50 would be $1.48 for both of those. So really good deal. And obviously I was working up to my 10 off of 52 different transactions, so I got $20 off my total. So I had to go to the store and do these deals again. So once again, check out my other videos here. Check out my one from Sunday, and check out the one from last Thursday, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Everybody hit the like button, trying to build my channel up, and everybody have a happy holidays.